Welcome guys to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach y'all how to fix that one problem everybody mostly has with the Launchpad. There will be no sound. No lights or sound too. So I'm going to teach y'all how to fix that. What you do, make sure the project is open up. What you want to do, you want to press this. And that'll bring up the controls but vertically. Now, honestly here it's at the channel 6, but it's blurry. Not really blurry, but what you want to do, some people just put no output, but for me, I'll just reselect it and go to channel 6. Make sure it's on lights. And for the samples, you want to make sure it's all channels and send it to master. Now, it works. That's a common mistake everybody had fixed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like, comment, or subscribe if you want. And yeah, catch y'all later.